Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is about how to make egg roll. So I added all-purpose flour, then baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and I sieved all of this into the glass bowl. Added granulated sugar and I mixed this using my spatula. Then I added unsalted butter. You can use margarine. Then mix together until you can no longer feel the butter. Then I added egg, whole milk, then I mixed this using my spatula for like a minute. Then I used my hands to knead it together so I could form a dough. I dusted the slab with some flour. Then I kneaded the dough for like 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, let's say. So here I weighed my dough into 4 equal sizes, so I had like 4 doughs, smaller doughs. So that's what I'm doing here because I have 4 boiled eggs, so I was going to need 4 small doughs. Here you just flatten your dough, then add the egg, you put it at the center and then wrap up. You wrap it into like a small ball. Roll into like a small ball. The purpose of doing this is so that your egg roll doesn't open up while you're frying, so you just make sure that you roll it well. So here I did oil test. When you see bubbles, that means your hair is ready for you to fry. Then make sure that your egg roll floats. When it floats, it's obvious that you're using enough quantity of oil. Then try to flip over. Make sure to deep fry each egg roll for 20 minutes. This is to ensure that it cooks outside and on the inside too. Okay, so now our egg rolls are ready, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a good comment. Bye.